Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best electric nail files that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Professional Electric Nail File. Want the best manicure and pedicure from your home? How about investing in the fancy professional nail file? The electric piece is one of the powerful and smoothest files and will file, buff, carve, and shape finger and toenails. The device is fit for regular and acrylic nail and is relatively quiet despite the high-speed operation. It comes with a convenient stand for placing it during use as well as a UV dryer for drying nail polish. The compact, battery-operated design allows for the portability you need to perform a manicure or pedicure wherever you are. The small, pen-size electric nail file can be conveniently held and stored inside your purse or handbag for nail care on the go. At number 4. UTILYZE 10-in-1 Professional Electric Manicure and Pedicure Set. Complete manicure and pedicure kit for natural or acrylic nails. File, buff, smooth, shine nails, remove ingrown toenails, cuticles and callus at home. Experience the power of professional salon-quality manicures and pedicures in your hands without ever leaving the comfort of your home. Whether you have natural or acrylic nails, this device is perfect for you. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the salon and hello to beautiful, glowing nails every day in just a few seconds. Beautifully designed one-touch selection system makes it extremely easy to operate. At number 3. Corded Electric Nail Drill Set. Advance your manicure and pedicure at home with this complete kit empowered by a powerful motor at 0-20,000 RPM with variable speed control. Finally, you can achieve salon-quality manicures and pedicure results without ever leaving the comfort of your home. Whether you have natural or acrylic nails, this manicure and pedicure device is perfect for you. 7 interchangeable grinders make the device for all your needs, filing, shipping and buffing finger and toe nails and for removing calluses and smoothing corns. Premium quality grinders can last up to a year depending on usage and care. Replacement pieces are available for purchase on Amazon. At number 2. Beurer 24-piece Professional Manicure and Pedicure Nail Drill Kit. The Beurer MP62 Manicure and Pedicure Kit achieves professional nail care in the comfort of your own home, without the salon costs. The MP62 includes 10 sanding bands, 10 high-quality attachments and a premium storage case. With a sleek, easy-to-hold device and an integrated LED light for a highlighted view during use, you can achieve the perfect nail. Our powerful electric nail drill is easy to use and effective on both the fingernails and toenails. Adjust the speed of your device to control the rotations per minute 2000 to 5600 plus or minus 20%. When switching on the device you can select either clockwise or anti-clockwise rotations. Use the dust shield for a clean file. Finally at number 1. DMD Portable Electric Dip Nail Drill Kit Hinder Professional. Made of high-quality metal, tiny, lightweight and standard USB interface design, easy to handle and carry it anywhere. The speed can adjustable from 0 to 0,000 RPM and forward and reverse rotation direction are suitable for any right-handed or left-handed use. With 6 different drills and 100 pieces of coarse and fine sanding bands, multi-functional for easily grinding, carving, cutting, polishing, removing gel polish and cuticles. High-quality aluminum alloy body and high-efficiency heat dissipation keep it a low heat. The noise or vibration which can be negligible. Please don't make a constantly long time, no more than 30 minutes, using in order to avoid overheating. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.